The biggest value that I'm going to take it from this conference, excuse me, and from the speaking perspective is that we all have our experiences. And one thing I do like to highlight is, which we don't do enough, is how many times we fail. We just don't talk about it enough because we want to show everybody that we don't fail, we always succeed, which is not the fact. We fail, but the good thing about failing is how soon do you fail? So you try not to do the things that you have failed upon. So one of the things that I like to learn, or part of my speaking, is that I will share some of the things that didn't work. And talking about the things that didn't work will give us a perspective to the audience that let's not do those things because they are proven to be failing. So let's do something that can work. So prototyping, creating the pilots, the POCs, those are the important aspects of the value from this discussion. I think what COVID or pandemic has done for us is that we have learned new ways to do our meetings, in-person, Zoom call, Teams call. But I think there is nothing on the planet that can replace the human-to-human interaction in person. You see the emotions, you see the body gestures when you talk to somebody in person. So when you get into the real deep discussions on a topic in person, it gives you a perspective and a body language that what that individual is sort of thinking about it, how he or she is trying to present it. And that deep knowledge and deep findings, deep-rooted ideas in person, you can challenge, and then you can also maneuver not to challenge certain things, because if you see a scenario when things are not working, you can see it firsthand, and you can make your discussions much more meaningful just by having to see the body language. So I think there is no way we can replace the human-to-human interaction for better collaboration, better alignment, better understanding as a human. So I think this conference has given us a lot of opportunities to meet in person and get to understand the individual personality, get to understand their personal, call it perspective, call it emotions, and that helped a lot during this conference.